Lake Zurich is one of the most important tourist attractions in Switzerland, and it is considered one of the most attractive places in the world in terms of beauty and scenic landscapes. Here in Lake Zurich, there are very great things that you must visit immediately. If we describe tourism in Zurich as one of the most wonderful experiences that a person may live, then be sure that we did not go too far in our description, as the city is full of many attractions that attract many, the most famous of which is Lake Zurich, as it is considered one of the charming lakes of Zurich, as it is a natural lake with a large splendor with an area of 88.66 square kilometers, while its depth is about 136 meters.
What are the best activities in Lake Zurich, sir?
How can the picnic begin without wandering around a place to see nature as it prepares in front of you in the best way? And during that you will find some chairs that you can rest on. And you will also notice that there's a promenade belonging to the lake and you will like to wander on it. And in the middle of Lake Zurich is a high water fountain. You will enjoy watching the water splashing in all sides as if it paints a creative painting made by nature to captivate you with its unique view. There are other things that may stop you to lose it during your wandering in the lake, where you will see shops selling gifts and souvenirs, from which you can choose everything that may suit you, except for the presence of kiosks selling snacks as well as street vendors promoting the goods they sell. The word lake is often associated with the birds that find a place in the lake, and while you are watching the beauty of the lake, those birds on the lake such as seagulls and geese in addition to ducks will attract your attention. You will have the opportunity to enjoy walking in natural scenery and rejuvenate your vitality in the walking paths by the lake, and you can also rent a bicycle and enjoy riding it on the side of the lake, to take advantage of the golden opportunity offered by the place, through which you will discover the lake more closely by sailing in its waters and enjoying all the charming views around you, so you can catch one of the group boat trips, as well as you can rent a small boat, and you can make the tour in the lake more private through rent a private yacht. And as soon as winter comes, the lake becomes a frozen mass and is adorned with a scene of ice that is rarely seen elsewhere. And then you will enjoy the winter weather and the activities associated with such an atmosphere. Entertainment and play will have a large share when visiting Lake Zurich, as the lake area provides a park with green areas in which you can take a walk and provides a space for children to enjoy more entertaining experiences. When you feel thirsty or hungry, you can go to one of the restaurants and cafes available in the vicinity of the lake. The place surrounding the lake contains basic public facilities that cannot be dispensed with during the trip in the lake, which are parking lots in addition to public bathrooms. As for the landmarks near Lake Zurich, you may have a desire to visit other places located near Lake Zurich, so we will guide you to some of the tourist places in Zurich that we recommend that you visit once you have finished visiting the lake, which is Lindholm Chocolate Zurich, 200 meters away, and the Botanical Garden at the University of Zurich.